Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll take a look at the power of combining SAP Build Process Automation with UiPath. Let's consider a real-world order processing scenario in which a quote is generated in Salesforce for customer approval. Once the approval is received, an order is created in Salesforce and the details are copied across to SAP S/4HANA. In the second part of the demo, we'll also explore the order unblocking process in SAP S/4HANA, involving a human in the loop. The combined SAP and UiPath offering provides best-in-class capabilities for enterprises to automate its business processes, and so we're focusing on the enhanced developer experience and an automation with both SAP connections and UiPath add-on provided connections. Let's see this in action, step by step, starting from the quote generation in Salesforce. UiPath can rapidly and accurately help by creating the quote and sending it by email so that the customer can approve it. UiPath can then attach to the email inbox and look for the customer response. Using document understanding, the automation can read the attached document and make sure that the quote is signed by the customer. Once the green light is received from the customer, the robot can move to the next step and start creating an actual order in Salesforce. The next automated step is to duplicate the approved order from Salesforce into SAP S/4HANA, which can be done with a second task automation step. This time we use BTP API and Build Process Automation to copy the sales order into SAP S/4HANA, as we already have the data to hand. The sales order and its processing in SAP S/4HANA can then start automatically. This order was automatically blocked for review before being processed as a control point to ensure compliance with regulations. Automatically unblocking the order is a crucial step to allow the sales process to continue. To achieve that, an SAP Build Automation is used to identify the blocked order in S/4HANA. We can see that this order was blocked due to credit limit regulations. A task is then created in UiPath Action Center for a human user to review the order. The final step of the process is to unblock the order in SAP S/4HANA once the order is approved. This entire process is orchestrated by SAP Build Process Automation, which leverages the appropriate UiPath workflows. Users can monitor the results of the execution in both UiPath Orchestrator and the Monitoring tab within SAP Build Process Automation. Further, the automations can provide a lot of the data, live insights, for continuous improvement analysis, and so the process owner for sales orders can decide if, where and how they want to evolve automations. So, by combining SAP Build Process Automation with UiPath, best-in-class capabilities are brought to enterprises to automate their business processes, providing reliability, security, scalability with efficiency. Thanks for watching.